What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be playing more Teardown. Yeah. Wait. Why did it take so long? I accidentally forgot to disable all my mods I had installed. So okay, cool. We're in. Hello, coffee. You don't know if you guys can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We need. I think we'll do. I don't care about you. How do I give a review? How do I give a review? I can't throw it. Die. Okay, I give up. I'll just. Really too small. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police will still look around a little, but it seems to have cooled off now and we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you. See, I bought this yacht recently, but it's too large for the marina. Road flex. And the board says there's no space for a new dock. Could you use your demolition skills again and remove one of the timeshare cabins? If the original documentation also disappeared, then 10 hours like it was never there. Sure, I guess. I don't know. Okay, cool. We're here. Car. Oh, my car is my escape vehicle to the escape vehicle. Oh god, don't. Okay, we're good. Okay, destroy that one. Okay. Okay, first let's just separate this. Oh wait, let's just sink it, honestly. Actually, no, I want to burn it to the ground. Let's just use one of their boats, just as a destruction tool. Okay, this is... Why does this barely turn? I had to go across like an entire goddamn lake to turn this around. Come on, come on. Yep, right, yep, there we go, Yep, just die completely. Yep, come on, yep, quickly. Oh, there's a cable. Okay, come on, die. Come on. Actually, Epic, just gonna demolish all this rubble. I can't English. Now we have to get a safe. Okay, come on. Okay. I have to go way back. Oh. No. We're good. Okay, where's the safe? It's here. Need a... Yeah, this might work. Yep, come on. We need to move the car. Okay, you need to get rid of these bushes. We need this van. I don't want to damage the truck. Yep. Oh, come on. No. Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, this is just give up with the van. Bye bye. More oil in the ocean. Okay, let's go. Yep, come on. Okay. Okay, I gotta get it. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, yummy. 250, I don't remember that being worth that much. Where is it? On room. Here we go. Now we just gotta drop it in there. Just, come on. Yep, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, there we go. Yep, and we just more oil. Please don't. Oh my god, I hate this. Please don't. Oh my god, I hate this game. My brakes were just slightly less rusty. I would have made that. How did I make that drift? I'm confused, honestly. Oh, we can use this thing. Except we gotta... we probably should clean the stuff on it. How do I get that? Sorry. Yep. Bye-bye. Okay, we get rid of this. I really need that. No, I don't want to. Okay. We need to move this boat. Is it? Yeah, it's over here. Okay, well, we should be good. Okay, we need to move this thing. Okay. Okay, these guys should really lock their stuff. I mean, they keep like wait, what is this again? Well, he could have just been like, oh yeah, we just need to, you know, move this thing. I don't know why they had to make a whole criminal mission for this. In you go. Come on. Yep, in you go. Okay, let's go. Stay! Oh my god, I hate this. Stay. You know, I'm just gonna drag it to the ocean. I don't care anymore. You're valuable? Ooh. Yeah, I saw something like, yeah. Yes! Finally! I hated that mission. I have to move this boat. I hate this boat. It's metal! Oh my god. Okay. I need to move this. No, we'll just take this. How did that hit it? This thing is slow as hell. Hello, beep beep. I'm slower than a snail. Okay, finally. That took forever. I've been recording for 11 minutes. Yeah, I don't think that's... I'm on the roof. New tool. Looks like I've been fixing this, but, you know. I give up. I give up fixing this. Just destroy it. Yep. Yeah, that's just indestructible. Oh no. Get me in! Okay, finally. Hello? Door? Okay, cool. Ghost cabin? I wonder what happened to that cabin. Her. Ooh, what's this? Oh my god, it's a shotgun. We get free money. I mean, free shotgun. The mystery show. Come on, I want to see the mystery. The ghost cabin. I wonder what happened to the cabin. Huh? Yeah, I wonder so much what happened to that other cabin. Classic cars. Cool. I just gotta steal cars. I love stealing cars. Yeah. Okay, we're in the video game now. Where the cars we gotta steal. Okay, that one's on a boat, and this one that's okay. Oh my god, I hate. Oh right, I have a shotgun. Just make a door. This is so goddamn slow. I can outrun it when I'm walking. No, I'll take the Jeep. I'm taking the Jeep. I'm taking the Jeep. Okay, we're good. Why do all of these only have rear wheel brakes? Okay, we're good. Oh, come on. Oh. How are we gonna get this one? It's on the truck. Well, I know what to do. Never mind, I don't. Are you serious right now? Oh, okay. Then. I accidentally damaged the car, but I don't think it'll be that bad since you know I've done worse deconstruction. Yeah. Okay, let's just Cool. Come on, truck. Okay, let's just... Okay, we're good. We're good. We're just... Now we have to, go over to the, it's called tugboat. And then we gotta... Where's the tugboat? Oh, it's over there. Door. Hello, is there anything in here? No? Okay, good. Okay, we can, get... Why can't I drive the boat? Oh, never mind. We gotta turn this around. Oh my god, I hate this. It's going to take 7 actual decades. Okay, we're good. Now we gotta get this thing. Oh wait, we can take this thing, speedboat all the way over here. Then we can get a car and go over here. Yeah, that's easy. I'm just gonna... Ooh, valuable. $15 sunglasses? What? Why do they have to be so expensive? It's a little hole in the wall, and then we take the speedboat. Okay, this is not a speedboat. Let's take the other boat. I hate this. Why does it take so long? Oh yeah, this is speed boat appropriate. No brake. Okay, we're good. Okay, then we can gotta go up here. Other room? Yep, we can take that. Then we can. We need a car. We need a car fast. We need a car that's fast. Where are the fast cars? We need that Jeep back. Did I throw the Jeep in the ocean? Did I? I don't know. Ooh, take the van. Faster than walking, alright? And then line it up. Come on. Okay, cool. Now we gotta go all the way back. But this thing is like does not turn at all in reverse. It just doesn't. Okay, let's go back in here. Valuables. I'm holding E. Hello. Valuables. Thank you. Prosuck. Who is Prosuck? Okay, cool. Get out of here. Quick save. The chair just went flying. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Na, na. Go, go, go. Go, go. It's in the other room. Thank you. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Oh, we're gonna complete this, yeah. Come on. Okay, come on. Come on. No! Oh no. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. No. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me that we lose this. Oh my god, I hate this game. Why? Go. Change word. Go. Ow. Okay, we can't just mess up here. Go! This is the cleanest turn I've taken so far. Okay, oh my god, I hate this, I hate this. Why is it? No! Why? It was going so well. I accidentally hit it because I'm dumb, and then I got stuck on the gate. Go. Okay, don't mess up on the door. Almost. Go. Okay, don't hit the... Don't you dare. Come on. Escape. Let's go. 3 seconds left. 3.5 seconds left. Till I got caught by the FBI. Okay, we're good. Come on. Okay, what's in our house now? It's renovated. Why is there a box? What? Bed? I don't need a new bed. That probably cost thousands of dollars, but I'm just gonna destroy the box too because I want to. Die, you stupid box. Let's upgrade this. The really demolition. Oh yeah, I totally agree with you that, you know, Gordon Wu stole your stuff. Except, guess what? I did. Sorry about that, my guy. Been recording for 25 minutes. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's go. Ooh, now his house. It would be a shame if someone blew it up. Wink. Ugh. Okay, I hate new doors. I'm just gonna blow them up. Ooh, nice car. Oh no! I'm gonna be arrested for robbery. Hide the evidence. Hide the evidence. Hide it. Okay, let's restart that. Car. I killed it. I stole it. Okay, but actually, I need to steal the cars, I think. Okay, I'm assuming we could steal this first. We could just drive down here. Oh, this one's on the truck. We can just get rid of that. Oh, we can drive this one down, kill it. Yeah. Then we can get rid of this one, and then we can take another car, and then we can take another car to get to this one maybe, and it's next to that, and then we can take the. Okay, I'm just gonna set this up real quick. Okay, I I have a plan. I just finished it. Now I just need to walk 7 actual decades to this car. Now we quick save. And go. Okay, yep, walk through there. Drive, walk, yep, walk. Die. Yeah. Also, I cleared the one on the truck earlier, so it's fine. Oh no! Oh, I didn't plan that. I didn't think that would happen. Okay, go! Hurry! Die! Oh, I'm gonna pass this first. God damn, try. Okay, we're good. Nice drift. Okay, bye truck. Yep, we're good. We're safe. We're safe. We didn't get caught by the FBI, even though there was a helicopter right there. So I don't know how they didn't see me, but it's fine because new egg, yay. What am I gonna get this time? Planks. Okay, make a circle with it. Okay, we're just gonna treadmill. Okay, we need more damage. This might do it. Yep, hello, bye-bye. Bye-bye, treadmill. Now for the funeral of the treadmill. Probably should take. Treadmill funeral. Okay. Oh. Okay. Come on. Oh my god, I hate this. How is it still on the thing? I'm confused. How is it still on the bed? Okay, come on. Okay. Now time for the funeral, but actually this time. Yep, come on. Yep, and... Oh! Oh, come on. I hate this. I mean, I was gonna throw it in the water anyway, but like... I don't know. Where'd it go? I mean, I'm gonna kill it. I mean, it's already dead, but like, I don't care.